How to create a portfolio website using Wix. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Wix to create your own portfolio website. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to wix.com. Now once you're over here, you just simply have to sign up. So you can sign up by clicking on the Start Now button at the top right here, or click on the Start Now button at the bottom right here. So go ahead and click on Start Now. Now you can just simply sign up using your email, or you can just simply continue with either Facebook account or a Google account or with an Apple account. So go ahead and click on Google. And as you can see, I already had an account. So over here are going to be some of the previous websites that I have created. But what you want to do, if you already have an account, you will have to click on create a new site. And once you finished up signing up, this is how basically it will look like. Okay, since I made an account before, that is why it looked like that, but right now this is how it will look like. So as you can see over here, there is a portfolio option right here. So click on portfolio, and over here down below you will have some different options. You will have a journalist portfolio, you have a general portfolio, game design portfolio, or a writing portfolio. So I'm a video editor and related to videos. My work is related to videos, so I'm going to choose video portfolio and simply click on next. Now over here you will have two options. You can either let Wix ADI create a website for you, or you can create your own website with the editor that Wix provide. Basically what that means is that if you answer a few simple questions, Wix will automatically get a website designed just for you in minutes, or you can just simply start with a template and make it your own with easy drag and drops and 1000 designs. So I would recommend editing your own template, because sometimes Wix has a good AI, but it's not the best. So I would recommend creating your own website by editing a template. So click on edit a template. Now over here, as you can see, we have all the websites that are related to video portfolios. So now what you can do is choose a portfolio that you think is very good and that you like very much. So once you liked a portfolio and you would like to edit that portfolio, simply hover your mouse over onto that particular template and then just simply click on view. And once you click on view, you can click on full demo to view that entire site. And if you like that site, you can just simply go ahead and edit it. Now I like this site a lot, but it does not give a whole lot of information, so I'm just simply going to choose another template. So let's just choose this one. This one looks pretty nice. Click on view full demo, and let's see. So we have a portfolio, we have highest peaks, we have Great American Road, we have home, bio, and contact. So this looks really nice, but it also doesn't give a whole lot of information that you would need to write onto the website. So let's just go ahead and choose another template. Let's choose this one over here, view full demo. And yeah, as you can see, this one looks really nice. It has a background and everything. So yeah, let's just choose this one. So once you have a template that you really like, simply click on edit this template. Wait for a couple of seconds to load, because it takes a little while to load the entire website and all the template options. Just wait a couple of minutes and it will load everything that you need. So as you can see, the template has been loaded up, and over here we have a lot of different options. So to create your own professional portfolio website, you can just simply choose the template that you like. I've chosen this template. Now let's go ahead and edit this template. So as you can see, we have a lot of different tools and options that we can choose from. So over here on the left side, we have add options, we have the menu and pages, we have theme manager, we have background, we have ads, we have add apps, we have media, and then we have start blogging. So the first things first, what you want to do is change the name and the other details that are shown on this video. So this person's name is Julian C, but I'm sure that your name is not Julian C. So just go ahead and change that. Choose this text and then just change it to your name. So I'm going to choose your name. So simply choose this text and click on edit text. So over here, simply add in your name. Simply delete the name that was previously written and write in your name. So I'm going to write your name. And then all you have to do is simply replace the music video editor to something that is to your own profession. So I'm a video editor, so I'm just simply going to add in video editor. So remember guys, change your name to your actual real name and then enter in whatever skill that you have or that you are using to create your own website. So once you've done that, so you can just change these buttons to whatever you want, or we can remove them completely. So to remove something, you can just simply click on it and click on settings, and over here click on pin to. So this is the link, and click on backspace and it will undo and it will be deleted. So let's just remove this text as well. Simply choose that button and click on backspace button and it will be deleted, or click on delete button. Both work pretty nice. And then what you can do is change the background to your own image. So click on this empty image over here and click on change stripe background. So you can upload your own video or your own image to showcase your skill as a video editor or whatever skill that you possess. So I'm just simply going to change this image to this one over here, and that is how you change your image. You have all these different options in front of you, but it is really easy. You can get overwhelmed, but remember guys, they are basic options. You simply have a tool that is really user friendly and easy to use. You just simply choose an image or a background or a block that you want to edit, and then just simply change that, and then just simply click on the change button, change this to a certain thing that you like, and then it will be changed to that specific thing. So now over here you can also change the background. You can add in background scroll effects if you want. Simply click on background scroll effects, and over here they will tell you, you will see you have all these different texts. So let's just choose this one over here. So when someone scrolls it, they will have a 3D effect over it. So it's not showing us anything right now, but it will once we have a finished product. So again, as I said before, you can choose, you have to change all these images to your own images, to your own artwork, your own videos or pictures that you have taken or are editing or that you have worked on to showcase your skill as a creator. Because remember guys, this is your portfolio. You're just taking a template and editing it, and just you're taking out all the unnecessary things and adding in your things that are necessary to your portfolio. So remember guys, just change all these images and all these videos to your own videos and images. And down below, as we can see, you can have to change this image to your own image so that people know that it is really legit and people can trust you. And then you have the about section. Now this section is really important guys, because over here you will have to add in all the details about your skills, about your jobs, about your past projects, about your current projects and stuff like that. So over here you will have to add in all the skills and that you have, add in all the information that you can in a very short and professional manner, but make it look good. Don't make it too short and don't make it too long. Just the right amount of details and the right amount of storytelling are needed to make your website and your portfolio stand out. So go ahead and just simply click on this text and click on edit text, and over here you can change this text to whatever you want. You can change the headings, you can change the fonts, the size of the text, you can make it bold, italic, underlined. You can add in different effects to it. Well, you can add in characters and line spacings. You can add vertical text, SEO accessibility and stuff like that. And then down below you have the contact info. Over here you can, as I said, you can just simply edit the text. You can write in your own email, and that is basically it. As I said guys, Wix is very user friendly and it is very easy to use. They have a very advanced website editor that people enjoy very much. Now in my opinion, Wix is the better website out there. It has amazing accessibility, it is user friendly, it is fluent, it is responsive as well, it is fast, it is just perfect. Everything about it is really awesome. Except for one thing, that when you make a website, they will not let you choose your own domain because domains are really expensive and they don't allow that. Now you could get a domain if you know someone who is tech savvy and knows about all these things. They can help you get a proper domain, but I'm not that tech savvy. I'm just here to show you guys small tutorials and stuff like that. So once you have finished editing your own website, you can just simply click on the preview button to view your website, and if it is to your liking, simply click on publish or go back to the editor and make a few different adjustments. So this was the desktop version of the website. Let's just go ahead and view it in the mobile web version. So this is how this website will look like in the mobile version. Click on let's go. So this is how you can edit your mobile website design. So I think that on the left side it looks pretty nice. So click on next, and down below you will have this feature, disappearing feature or fade out or fixed. I think the disappearing one looks pretty nice. So click on next. Then down below you will have different options. You will have no action bar, floating So let's just add in a floating bar because it is more accessibility. You don't have to scroll all the way down to read about all the details. If people like your work from the top, they should be able to access your information at once. So let's just choose the floating option and click on next. Now over here, you will have back to top button as well. So a lot of websites don't have this on the mobile version, and it is a really hassle to scroll back up to the top. So I would recommend having a top button. Click on yes. Now click on go to mobile editor. So this is how the website will look like in a mobile phone, and you can also edit this for mobile versions as well. You can change some things that you don't like. You can, for the mobile version, you want to add in, you want to make it more minimalistic, you can go ahead and do that. So once you have done making all of your changes, you can just simply click on save. That will save your website. So go ahead and click on save. And over here, as I mentioned before, they won't give you your own domain. They will add in your domain next to their domain and make the website a really long domain, and it makes it look really unprofessional. So if you already have a customized domain, you can just simply connect your own customized domain by choosing this option and click on save and continue, or get a free Wix domain that is basically here. Now you can edit that to my site and stuff like that. You can add in something at the end to make it unique to yourself. So once you've done that, simply click on save and continue, and the website will be saved. And this is how you're done. So basically publish your website so people can see it. Click on publish now to publish your website, or click on edit so to edit your domain, or click on done if you want to publish your website later. So that is it for this video, guys. That is how you make your own professional portfolio website using Wix. And as I said before, it is really easy. But if you still have some questions related to this website, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to get back to them as soon as possible. So having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys, so you don't miss out on any future videos that we post on this channel. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.